matter how fancy device you are going to buy yourself, I mean like a computer control system, there is always a dentist, a doctor behind the system. And the most important is your approach to the patient, your practical skills, your knowledge and your ability of feeling yourself like in a position of the patient. My name is Krzysztof Gonczowski. I'm an endodontist. I came here from Krakow in Poland, and I will be lecturing here about the pain management. The topic of my whole presentation here is about the pain management dental office, how to counteract the problems with the patient, like a cancelled visit or missed visits, how to treat the patient in painless and effective way, how to control the pain with the local anesthetics and with the other options, also non-invasive option like iatrogenic sedation and conscious sedation and stuff like that. So it's pretty important to deliver to the patient the kind of the treatment that allows us to provide a really pain-free and stress-free dental treatment. The take-home message is that no matter how fancy device you are going to buy yourself, I mean like a computer control system, there is always a dentist, a doctor behind the system. And the most important is your approach to the patient, your practical skills, your knowledge and your ability of feeling yourself like in a position of the patient. Try to think in their way of view, not only drilling, filling, billing, but also a little bit wider view, and to put your efforts, time, and try to decrease the stress level of the patient and to be able to know how to inject the needle in a really effective and painless way. No, it's my second time here. I was here last year and I'm absolutely amazed about this conference. This year I got actually one lecture and one practical workshop, and I'm really impressed about the whole organization, about the public, how interested they are, and about the whole organization. It's really a great time. Yeah, I think that the public is really amazing. The people are very open-minded to new techniques. They are really want to follow the newest approaches, newest protocols, and they want to get the practical knowledge and practical skills. And the best side of this conference is that the local organizers provide all these practical skills and knowledge with excellent set of the lecturers worldwide. So it's absolutely amazing time. I can highly recommend to come to Dental World next year to join us at the conference and to get the practical skills and knowledge about the newest protocols of pain-free and stress-free and effective endodontic treatments.